Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech simple and fun. Today, we're tackling a quick and easy update: how to change your iPad wallpaper in 2025. With iPad OS enhancements, personalizing your device has never been more straightforward. Whether you're sprucing up your home screen or adding some flair to your lock screen, this guide will get you there in under a minute. First, grab your iPad and ensure it's unlocked. Start by locating the Settings app. It's that familiar gear icon on your home screen. Give it a tap to open it up. Once inside, scroll down through the menu until you spot Wallpaper. In 2025, Apple has streamlined this section for faster access, so it should be easy to find. Tap on Wallpaper, and you'll be greeted with a variety of options. You can choose from dynamic wallpapers that change throughout the day, select photos from your library, or even explore new AI-generated designs exclusive to iPad OS 2025. Go ahead and pick the one that catches your eye. After selecting your wallpaper, you'll see a preview on your screen. This is your chance to customize it. Use 2 fingers to pinch and zoom or drag it around to get the perfect fit. Once you're satisfied, tap the Set button at the bottom. You'll then have choices. Set it for your lock screen, home screen, or both. Just select your preference, and voila, your iPad is refreshed. A quick tip: for the best results, use high-resolution images from your photo library to avoid any blurriness. And if you're into creativity, try out those AI wallpapers. They're a game changer for 2025. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more iPad tips and tricks. See you in the next video.